We're in Tasmania and we've got some of the best trout fishing in the world. Trout Territory, we look after people that want to learn to fly fish, and we love it because they're excited about developing the skills to put the fly in front of them on a dinner plate, just right in front of them. Yes. No. I think the beauty of Tasmania really surprises a lot of people, the diversity and how many waters we've got without having to travel too far. We also get people who have fly fished a lot and want to come and sample Tasmania's fantastic wild brown trout fishing. They'll always learn something new. So it's crucial I stop there. There's a lot in fly fishing. How to read the water, how to find and see fish. We just love to watch them progress from absolute grassroots level to competent. And beginners particularly are so surprised they can do it.